Want to make your dining table look stunning without spending too much? Stay with me because I'm going to show you simple but classy dining table decoration ideas that will impress your guests every single time. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, I'll share some of the best dining table decoration ideas that are stylish, affordable, and very easy to set up. Whether it's a family dinner, a festive gathering, or even a casual evening, these ideas will transform your dining space into something truly special. Practical suggestions. First, let's talk about the centerpiece. A simple vase with fresh flowers instantly adds elegance. If you don't want to buy flowers daily, you can go for artificial ones, which are long-lasting and cost-effective. For example, a fresh flower bouquet might cost around $10 weekly, but a good quality artificial arrangement is a one-time cost of around $20. Second, add candles. Scented candles, or even plain white candles, bring a warm and cozy feeling to the table. You don't need expensive ones. Budget-friendly packs are easily available and look just as classy. Third, use table runners instead of full tablecloths. They're cheaper, easier to wash, and give a modern look. A runner might cost $5, compared to a large tablecloth that could be double the price. Explaining tools in a practical way. To set all of this up, you only need a few simple tools: a vase for flowers, a lighter for candles, and a runner or placemats. These are everyday items that you probably already have at home. Quick tips. Here's a quick tip. Mix and match what you already own. For example, place a fruit bowl in the center, add a few candles around it, and instantly you've got a fresh, budget-friendly setup. Another tip, use matching napkins and plates to give a neat and organized feel without buying new sets. Cost comparison for clarity. Let's compare. A fully decorated professional setup from a store might cost you over $50. But using these simple ideas like a $5 table runner, a $10 flower arrangement, and candles under $5, you can get the same elegant look for less than $20. So, now you know how to decorate your dining table beautifully without breaking the bank. If you found these ideas helpful, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to try these tips in your own home.